Good morning! Welcome to my channel. I'm Jeanette. I'm the Project Junkie. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable hair barrettes. These are so cute. You can make these little tails as long as you want. They look so cute, and these little girls' hairs for dance, for cheer. You can make them in the high school colors or the grade school colors. This is from the colors from my high school. They're just easy to make. They're inexpensive, and I sell these for $8 at markets. So, if you got any questions, just leave a comment below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. I'm new to making videos. This is probably my second video that's a how-to video. But at any time, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. No telling what I'm going to make. Let's get into the video. Thanks for watching. Aren't these just so adorable? I just love these, and they're so easy. You can make them with yarn, with crochet thread, with nylon thread. I have not tried with bulky thread yet. Yeah, start with this breast. I get these at Walmart. They're in a package of like 30 for $5. Just pop that center out of there. You'll need a crochet hook, a darning needle, a pair of scissors, and of course your yarn. I'm going to start with a slip stitch. And we're going to crochet this onto the barrette. And it does matter which end you use. This barrette does have a top and a bottom, so it determines whether you will open this from the left or the right. So if you're making a pair, you will need to start at each end for each particular barrette. We're going to do 12 single crochets across the barrette. Slip that center right back in. It's pretty easy. Sometimes it gets a little bit tricky. Close that up. Makes it easier to crochet the rest of the barrette with that closed. And you will start by chaining 8 or 10. Depends on how big you want the loops. You can go more or less, but I chain 8. We're only using the back loop of this chain. Then I slip stitch into that back loop. And then chain 8 again. Single crochet right into that, or excuse me, a slip stitch right into that next loop. And chain 8 again. All right, I think you get the idea, so I'm going to speed this up a little bit more. Okay, we're going to trim the thread. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? It looks like a little crown, and you could make a little crown out of it. Maybe that'll be another video. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a crown barrette. We're going to change color. Just hook that around and pull through and chain however many you want. The longer the chain, the more, or the longer the curl you will have. I chained 20 for this particular barrette. Usually have 6 curls along the barrette if you put 12 single crochets to begin with. When you get down to the end, in the second chain from the hook, you will do 2 single crochets in each stitch. This causes the project to naturally start curling. Okay, when you get to the end, pull that second color tail tight again because it does loosen up. And then you want to slip stitch into that same chain. Excuse me, into the next chain. And then into the next loop, you'll pull up a loop and do a single crochet and then begin your chain. Just repeat this process till you get to the end of the barrette. When you get to the end, you pull your thread and cut your chains, twist all your curls, make sure they're looking good. Pull your tails around to the back. I pop out the middle because that just makes this a little bit easier. And weave your tails in. I just thread them under the loops to somewhere towards the middle. And then I tie my tails together into a square knot on the back. And I tie that pretty tight. I'm terrified of something unraveling. Then trim your tails. You can also add a little bit of glue to those tails for even more stability there. Put your center back in. Close it up and look how cute that is. Thanks for watching. See you next time.